Building a reliably automated smart home takes careful planning, but the convenience can be life-changing. By thoughtfully choosing complementary technologies from leading brands, programming intuitive automation, and centrally controlling devices through a voice assistant, you can orchestrate a hands-free environment tailor-made to serve your lifestyle. So if you are looking for some tips and tricks about how to completely automate your smart home, here are our few suggestions.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Smart assistant platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit are the brains behind an efficient, automated home. When fully set up, a voice assistant allows hands-free verbal control of everything from lighting and temperature to security cameras and door locks. Strategically place smart speaker devices equipped with your voice assistant of choice around your home. Group multiple speakers for whole-house voice access. Connect the speakers to your home Wi-Fi and compatible smart devices. Digitally link your various device accounts so your voice assistant has control over them. For example, pair smart light bulbs with your Amazon account so Alexa can adjust lighting. With this voice integration in place, simple automation routines binding multiple devices are set up through your speaker's companion app. Tell Alexa you're leaving, and she can adjust the thermostat, turn off designated lights, and arm the security system in one fell swoop. No need for any human input when commands can trigger such seamless coordinated action. Adding smart displays like the Nest Hub Max or Amazon Echo Show enhances an automated environment with visual feedback. Mounted communal displays give household members a way to manually control integrated smart technology as needed through the touch display. Models with built-in cameras support two-way video calls, so you can also visually interact with visitors at your door and survey live feeds from indoor-outdoor security cameras using the same device. When combined with automation capabilities offered through your voice assistant, smart displays give you glanceable confirmation your home environment is responding as expected. Ask Alexa to run your goodbye routine and watch as the garage door closes and smart lights switch off right before your eyes. Smart light bulbs and switches make one of the most affordable and effective building blocks in an automated smart home. Brand name Wi-Fi enabled options from philips-hue, TP-Link, and Lutron allow complete remote control over lighting from your phone. That also allows flexible scheduling, so lighting patterns can consistently reflect your lifestyle and mood. Install smart bulbs in fixtures relevant to daily routines like bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. For hardwired overhead fixtures, smart switches serve the same function. Build a library of customizable scenes and program them to trigger on set schedules through sensor detection or by voice command. If mornings feel rushed, have living area lights slowly brighten before sunrise to ease you awake. To curb energy use, schedule lights off in empty rooms. Trying to discourage front door soliciting? Timers can make it look like you're home whether you are or not. Smart lighting allows you to orchestrate the day's ambience from the palm of your hand. Smart thermostats add high-powered energy efficiency and money savings to home automation capabilities. The popular Nest thermostat spearheaded a movement toward automated climate control. Now, ecobee, Emerson, Honeywell, and others also allow Wi-Fi connected regulation of your home's temperature and offer their own takes on automation integration. The easiest way to establish home comfort routines is inputting a weekly schedule manually tailored to when your household is occupied, asleep, or vacant. Assuming your home layout remains relatively consistent, smart thermostats quickly learn patterns and adjust to maintain desired conditions automatically without further instruction after the initial programming period. Having an automated climate control system in place means one less routine to personally oversee. There's no need to worry if you've left the house fully aired on a sweltering summer day or warm enough for pets while away on winter vacation. Let your thermostat handle it. Security cameras automatically monitor activity, so you have anytime awareness of what's happening on your property, even from thousands of miles away. Leading options like Arlo, Ring, and Nest Cam boast weatherproof and wireless designs perfect for versatile whole home and outdoor monitoring with high-resolution live feeds. Place cameras at all major access points and high-traffic areas. Connect them to Wi-Fi and sync settings with your smartphone and other smart devices. When appropriately positioned, the motion sensor capabilities on most cameras automatically initiate recording and send alerts to your phone when walkers, package deliveries, or stray animals approach. Set schedules for cameras to activate even when residents turn in for the night. Custom motion detection settings let you refine triggers to cut down on excessive recordings. Connect cameras through your Smart Assistant app so they verbally announce happenings and display related live footage on smart displays. A smart video doorbell like Ring or Nest turns your front door into an automated greeter when you're home or away. Harness two-way talk functionality to remotely screen visitors at the door before granting entry access. Have your exterior motion-initiated doorbell camera deliver a customized verbal response through an exterior speaker when you're unavailable in person. Connect your smart doorbell to other devices so bells ring watches and screens inside the home, while also triggering automated actions like hallway approach lighting. Teach Alexa or Google Assistant facial recognition on frequent visitors so you receive unique notifications reflecting who has arrived. With the ability to replay recordings anytime, rest assured you'll always know who stopped by, even when not personally available. Amongst the growing cadre of helpful robot assistants, robotic vacuums rank as one of the most useful for busy households. Market leaders iRobot, Shark, and Ecovacs manufacture Wi-Fi-enabled models integrated with home automation. After charging up, they can clean floors daily to keep dirt and dust continuously under control per your set schedule. Use a smart assistant or cleaning app to designate restricted areas to avoid. Customize cleaning frequency based on traffic flow through your home. Connect advanced models to voice assistants for verbal status updates. Command an impromptu overhaul when a company is coming, or ask where the robot was last seen when not auto-parked as expected. Robotic vacuums handle the repetitive drudgery of keeping floors clear so you have more time to enjoy life. For above-floor messes, Wi-Fi-enabled robot mops tackle hard floors with increasing proficiency, though likely still warrant supplemental manual wiping for maximum cleanliness. Either way, your floors maintain themselves, so that's one less household hassle to manage personally. Start small by targeting what currently feels arduous about your weekly home responsibilities using our guide. Build gradually from there as desired. Soon you'll realize just how effortless maintaining your abode can be when the right devices work cooperatively behind the scenes to silently shoulder the load. Yes, with some thoughtful planning and sequenced investing, newcomers can rather quickly actualize comprehensive automation upgrades. Before you know it, Enjoying true hands-free living is possible thanks to your always attentive, high-tech Haven handling life's daily grind, so you can focus on what matters most.